It is currently 4:40 p.m. My reservation for Droid Depot is at 5:50. Now I had to make a reservation for Hollywood Studios and a reservation at the Droid Depot. It was kind of complicated, I'll tell you why. You're welcome, everyone. That is not Adam the Woo. Adam the Woo here. Now there's a clever twist on the reservation system. I had to get Hollywood Studios today, which I got about an hour ago. Tried most of the morning, finally popped up. And that twist I was mentioning is to get a resi for, in short terms, for the Droid Depot. You have to do it 24 hours before. So you have to get the reservation to build a droid before the day that you're gonna go to the park. And because they are so few and far between, being able to procure one to get in the park, I didn't think it was gonna happen. But it did. It did happen. This will be a day long remembered. And I don't think I'm gonna build a BB unit. I think I'm gonna go with an R2 unit. Inviting you to join me. Shall you? Now, before the distancing and the measures that are currently in place, you didn't need to have an appointment to go over to the depot. You just walked up and did it yourself. But now, it's even difficult to even get an appointment for it. But I did. Should also point out that they have also removed the tents over here with the temp checks. The temp check tents are gone. Ah, yes. Star Wars land, as it is affectionately known. This way to the Droid Depot. Straight ahead. I still do have a few minutes before I have to line up over there. I think about 40 minutes, give or take. Maybe they'll let me in a little early. I am slated for 5:50. It is currently 5:10. So just perusing around here. The fastest hunk of junk in the galaxy. I'll walk up this staircase, go past Ronto's, and see if they'll allow me to line up a few minutes prior. Now the one I will be building will be in no way, shape, or form of this size. A little smaller in comparison to this one that's cooking a meal up right here. Inside the old pod racing machine. Oh, is it gonna steam up? Oh yes, it's steaming a little bit. Just outside the depot are these friendly faces. Well, I hope they're friendly faces. How's it going? Yeah, I am. I'm gonna go in and build one. Finally. I know Galaxy's Edge's been open for a while on both coasts, and I never have. It's speaking directly to my mind, using the, well, it's not the Force, but it's like a mind meld. Oh, hello. Yep, I'm gonna buy an R2 unit. That's right. No, I'm not doing a BB-8 unit. No, I'm not going BB-8 unit. Maybe one day it's gonna be an R2 unit. And I've already thought of a name, but I'm not gonna unveil it to the end. No spoilers. I've already thought about a name of what my R2 unit's gonna be named. All right, I'm gonna go see if I can get in line. And the way it works, I believe the way it works, is right over here are a few people, and a cast member has the data pad checking everyone in. Right over in this section. She has quite a few people that are kind of waiting to be checked in. I'm one of them. 5:20 right now. Droid? Yeah, mine's at 5:50 though.
5:50, okay.
I know it's like 30 minutes early, but...
Yeah, so as of right now, just because our line is extended past the plants here, because we can't really accept many reservations past the 5-minute mark.
So
Okay,
just come back in a half hour?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, that's mid, I missed that. I figured that.
Okay, I have to come back in a half hour because she said the line is getting pretty lengthy. Wow, I love these little ships over here. Pretty dang cool. This reminds me of Luke's speeder. It's a different model, but pretty similar. Okay, I'm just gonna wander around for a half hour. Said not to come back till 5 minutes before my allotted time. Oh my gosh, the noises back here are so cool. Lots of little parts and stuff. Some sort of service center right over over here in this middle section. Oh, look at the sun glare there. Kind of adds to the ambiance. I always feel bad for this one here, getting his feet burned. And the probe up there. Yeah, remember him from Empire. Oh, look, there's some in here in these cages. I never noticed these ones in these cages. That's pretty cool. There's an R2 unit up top. It's one of the ones I'm building. Yes. Now this kind of makes me want to get a Coca-Cola here. Coca-Cola Droid. Passing through. Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool. That confirms that R2 unit needs to happen. That is so cool. I don't know what it is about the Coca-Cola droids I love so much.
Are you going out there?
Okay, thank you. Now I have opted for a bottle of water. Are you awake or are you napping? I think maybe I just didn't see it turn its head. Oh, it turned its head. All right. I'm now gonna drink the water. Thank you, Coca-Cola droid.
Please remain calm.
I will.
Good.
All right, 3 minutes until it's my time, and I am now been checked in and have scanned a QR code to decide on which bundle I want before going in. I can get either the BB or the R2 unit, option 1 or 2, and there's also some personality chips, and there's also a carrier bag that I could purchase. Let's see, so I'll go with option 1. I'll go with option 1. Okay, that didn't work. Well, it just, oh, there we go. I'll go with option 1. All right. Okay, I think I don't click on anything. It's just alerting me to the price. The whole package is $164.97. You get one of the droids. I'm gonna get the R2 unit, a personality chip, and a droid carrier bag. I guess that's the only option, is the $164. I thought maybe you could get just the R2 unit. Well, it wouldn't be R2-D2, but an R2 unit. But evidently not. You have to get the whole $164.97 scenario. Oh, the troopers are leaving now. Looks like they're hightailing it out of here. Something must have happened. I was just told by a cast member that you don't have to get the $164 deal. You can do a $99 deal. Doesn't come with the carrying case or the extra chip. Just has the built-in chip. Maybe I'll just do that. I'll do the $99 deal. Okay, I am now in. I just inquired on how the personality chips go. The regular one would just be R2 noises, but there are 2 or 3 other personality chips. There's a scoundrel personality chip and a couple other ones. I think there's even a resistance personality chip, which I might go with the resistance personality chip. Yeah. Okay, so you have registered and pre-registered. I believe yeah, okay, so this is, okay, they're not being used for what they usually are utilized. This is an exit, even though, you know, in the past it has been pre-registered and registered. So I'm just going to wait along here until it's my time to go over to the next section. I do love how all the pieces up there are just kind of going along that conveyor belt. It's going to be a very conveyor belt experience. Now behind this encasing are the BB units. They're all different, well, I was going to say shapes and sizes, but it's the same shape and sizes, but different color patterns all along here. And these are pretty neat because they roll around, but I'm going with the R2 unit. This would be the midsection here. This would be maybe the innards and the top sections. So they're showing all the different ones that you can choose. Maybe in the future I could come back and get a BB unit, but I am going over here with the R2 unit. Here are the tops as well. Oh, I like the purple. I also like this with the little like cone head style. And here's the traditional like R2-D2 style. But I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. I'm just gonna mix it up, wait till I get to the conveyor belt and decide from there. $99.99. I'm looking over there and that's what the sign says. $99.99 for the all Droid units or the Droid bundle for $164. But I think I don't have to get the holder. I think I could just get the personality chip and the Droid itself for like $15 on top of the $99. Or maybe I should just say heck it and get the $165. Just go for the gusto. You know what? It'd be kind of neat to have like a little bag. Oh look, he's like illuminated there. All right, I went with the $164.97. All right. You guys think that's it? There we go. Okay, thank you.
Against this red wall for now, okay?
Go where? Oh, right along there?
Here.
Okay, thank you.
Just gonna let you know
I went with the Resistance personality chip. That's what I went with here, the blue Resistance, and then I went with the little packet here. It was like 174 and change. Okay, she's calling me over here. And then they give you this little crate that you're going to go over.
Number 9.
My number 9.
Alright, so we can take the backpack out of the basket and set it off to the side for
Okay,
now.
alright. And what do I do with it?
Here shows you can leave that in the basket.
Leave that in there, okay.
Yeah. We're going to collect all 4 pieces that are listed by number here.
Okay.
So we're going to need a head. The long legs for part number 2 come all packaged together as a set for you.
Okay.
You're going to need a body, and then the small foot for part number 4 comes individually.
Okay.
Once you have all 4 pieces, just let us know. Make sure you have what we need before you move on, okay?
Okay, sounds good, thank you. Okay, so this right here is not going to be utilized until the end. I guess I could probably technically put this on, or maybe not. I'll just keep it like where it is. So I have to fill this up. I need to go with, let me go with the torso first. So we got that one. That one looks pretty cool. Go with the torso. I don't know. I kind of maybe wish I should have grabbed that one. Yeah, that's a good one. You know what? I might go back over here and get this one. Yeah, you know what? This is kind of, I think that one will work. I'm going to go with that. This would be the torso, which is known as, well, the middle section. Okay, the middle section isn't even part of what they show. Oh, that one's spinning around. Look at that. It's doing a little dance. Now I just need to go with the translucent dome. The translucent dome, which could be any of these here. Oh, I like the purple. I like the purple over there. But then also, I kind of like the cone-shaped here. Kind of, I don't know, that's kind of drawing me in too. Is there anything else here on this platform that could maybe be utilized? Oh, look at all these up here. Those are like some good size. There's a BB unit there. There's an R2 unit there. Oh, that guy's head has fallen off. Okay, so maybe, okay, I'm definitely happy with this torso. But I do not know, okay, those are the BB heads. That's a B, I like that BB head there. I also like, you know what? This is the one they always say go with your first instinct. I'm gonna go with this, is my first instinct. So this is gonna be the translucent dome. Oh, there we go, right there. Option 6 is this for the R series. So now I got that there, and then I have, well, let's see what else we got. I got the top, I got this, I got the dome. I just need the legs and then the bottom leg. So I gotta find the bottom leg, which happens to come in, like she was saying, there are 2 pieces. So I need to find something that's gonna look good with the cap that color, the torso that color, and then I have to go with the legs. Oh, you know what? The purple's good too. The purple's good for the top. But I'm going with this. Staying with that one. I don't know. The purple might be kind of, I don't know. This might be kind of cool too. No, I don't think so. I don't think that works. I don't think that works. I think we're going with this right here. I just got to go with the legs. Let me go with something wacky to mix it up with the legs. Maybe the blue here? Go with the blue for the legs? Yeah, you know what? Heck it. Let's go with the blue for the legs there. Now I just need the middle leg, the third leg, if you will, which would be right down in here. Oh, the red? The red is kind of popping out. Is that going to be too much? That's too much. That's too much. Maybe I'll just go with, yeah, oh, you know what? There we go, right there. There's my middle leg. Right there. Oh, there it is. Right there. Okay, so I got all the pieces I need. I got the legs, the third leg, the head, the torso, and the personality chip. It all came to like 107. I should have asked if they did AP discounts. They probably did, and I just failed to. I have failed myself for the last. It might be too late. See if they have DVC or annual pass. Nonetheless, I think I am ready to go. Unless something else pops out at me while I'm going through here. Ooh, whatever that is, that's pretty cool, like down there. So this is kind of what I got completed. And I believe I just wait over here until they come and get me. Yeah. Gosh, I don't know for the head. You know what? This is cool too. Look at this. Look at this. No. Okay. Changes have been made. Changes have. You're going away. You're going away. That's it. But you know what? That's not going to look right. That's not going to look right with that. So let me put this back and get these. Yeah. There we go. Okay. Now, see, first instinct, not always the best. This is what's happening right here. All right, time to build this thing. Got it all?
Yep, and you can head down to station number 2 and 3.
Station 2 and 3. Okay, we're going down to 2 and 3.
Actually, I'm going to go on the other side.
Okay, we're going the other side, not 2 and 3. Yeah. I can't believe it took me this. Oh, how's it going? Took me this long to.
All the way down to the front and number 14.
Number 14. Thank you. All right, number 14. There we go. Oh, look at this. Okay. Oh, there's a lot going on. Hopefully they teach me how to do this. Oh, there's like some sort of tool here. I gotta actually build this. Okay, so do I put this on here? I guess I do. I put this here. There's the bag. Okay, there's also a box. If you do not get the bag, they just give you a box. So you don't have to get the bag. I don't know. I just figured, what the heck? Why not? Get the bag. Get the bag over there. So here we go. Ready to go.
We're going to get started by taking everything out of your basket.
Everything out of the basket. We just set it right here?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Good. All right, let me take the basket. Cool.
Some accessories for you to choose from. For the R unit, it's going to be the body panels and the leg panels.
All right. Let me just go with, we go with the black one and the white one.
Okay.
Yeah. I think that kind of works.
Alright. This way, right?
Yeah, that works.
Okay. Are you sure? Or did you want
So
it
what did those go on?
These are going to be the leg panels. So they'll go
Okay, let's switch it backwards so it's backwards. Yeah. Just so it's like doesn't
right?
yeah. Very cool. And what are these pieces for?
Oh, that's going to be for the baby unit.
That's for the BB unit.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
So just like you, your droid is going to have a right leg and a left leg. And I can tell the difference because of these coils. They kind of act like toes for the droid. So I'm going to want them facing forward.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and lay that down. You're going to clip that into the body. Yeah. All right. And I'll hold it secure for you as you drill into the body.
Oh, I have to drill it in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good job.
Is that it?
And then the left leg.
Thank you for your help.
Absolutely.
This is hard to do and hold the camera at the same time. Okay.
There you go. And that's the end of our drill work today.
That's all the drill work. Drill work done.
All right, so you're gonna have a bottom foot, 2 leg panels, 2 body panels, and a head.
Okay.
Everything's gonna click in except for the head. You'll spin it until it drops down. It will not tighten. So go ahead and start clicking everything in.
This just snaps in?
Yeah, everything's gonna just click on in.
Okay.
You can rest it like for
Thank you. All right, now these are going to snap on over here. There we go. Snap that on like that. And then the other one over here, like, oh, it's upside down. There we go, like that. Oh. And then these, oh my gosh, where do these go? Forgot what you said. These go on, oh, right here. Okay, these go right here. There we go, just like that. No problem. All right. Okay, that's it. Now I just need to put the head on. Like, oh, want to move around. Okay, how does the head go on here? Oh, there we go. Okay, here we go. Okay, I think that's it. Oh, that is a thing of beauty right there. Then we got the chip here. So I got the full droid. It hasn't been initialized or formatted or assigned yet, or prepared or trimmed or primed. But this is, that is, okay, I think that's going to work out really, really good. And I'm really glad I got this as well. Okay, just waiting for her to come back over and let me know what else I need to do.
I'm just going to give them a quick inspection.
Okay.
Good, looks good. Are you ready to activate?
Am I what?
Are we ready to activate?
I'm ready to activate.
All right. Activating!
Okay, making the now.
So when you're ready, go ahead and press that red
Oh,
button.
I got it. Okay. Here we go.
So
Activate.
what you have just done is turn on the coupler. That's going to be the spot that turns your droid on.
Okay.
You can now hear us with those antennas. So when I say hi, droid, he's not a morning person. Are you a morning person?
I am a morning person.
So
So we're going to clash.
all right. Well, go ahead and say good morning, droid.
Good morning, droid.
It looks like he doesn't mind too much. To take your unit for a walk, you'll extend the body and lower the feet.
Okay.
This is your remote. It'll go front and back,
Okay.
side to side,
Okay.
head rotation, beeps, and accessories.
All right.
Now just watch out for the clip here. It isn't for a drop for our droids, okay?
Ooh. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, right?
Now the personality chip, do I have to put it in as well?
Yeah, I'll teach you how to do that.
Whoa.
All right. To put that personality chip in, we're going to make sure that our droid is shut off because it is a live electronic.
Okay.
I'll put that off for you.
The
It's
switch
gonna
is
be
on the bottom? Okay.
Yep.
All right.
I'm going to open up this door panel.
Okay.
Go ahead and insert the personality chip in. Now it is going to take a little fun muscle workout.
Okay.
So just push, push, push.
So I'm going to put it, does it matter which way it's turned?
Nope.
Does it matter which way it's turned?
Just those some muscles.
Okay. Got it.
Good job. All right, I'll go ahead and return your droid back on. And
Sweet.
go ahead and test those beeps and boops, those red buttons for me.
Beeps and boots. Okay. Oh yeah. That is a different sound.
Yep. Different dialect of droid.
That's cool. I like that. There you go. I believe I have made a good decision here. I have made a good decision indeed. He is a beautiful droid. And I could go ahead and say the name. R2TWoo. Not R2DWoo, but R2T, R2 the Woo. R2TWoo. R2TWoo. I like that. R2TWoo. Oh, you like that name? I didn't even press that. R2TWoo is now alive, like Johnny 5. I can't wait to go out and test R2TWoo out. Okay, am I all set?
Yeah, let's get ready for transport.
Okay, ready for transport.
So while you're here on Batuu, your droid will be interacting with the land.
Okay.
Basically, he'll be saying goodbye to all of his friends because he doesn't know when he's going to see them again.
Oh no.
At home, after about 5 minutes of inactivity, he'll go into a sleep mode.
Okay.
If that happens, just turn him off and turn him back on. He'll wake up.
Okay.
Your remote will not have a sleep mode, so you're going to want to make sure it's shut off anytime you're not using it.
Just off the back there?
Yeah.
I should turn it off and on?
I can go ahead and get that for you.
Okay. Okay.
I'm also going to provide you with a pamphlet. It's going to give you information about your droid and about the factory.
All right.
Do we have any other things that we're planning on doing while we're here on Batuu?
I think this was it for today.
Oh, the big trip was made for the droid.
Just for the droid. I've been trying to get a reservation for a while and finally did.
Well, we're happy you could make it.
Thank you for your help.
Yeah, so if you go into any of our merchandise locations or attractions today, you'll hear your droid interacting. So make sure that you keep an eye out for him.
Okay. And I have the resistance chip, correct? Is that what that was?
Was it blue?
It was a blue resistance
Correct.
chip. Okay.
Yep.
So he would react more over in the resistance area.
He will, yeah, he'll be probably a little more nervous about the first order area.
Okay. Maybe I'll take him around, see how he does.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I appreciate your help.
He'll be tired.
Okay. See you later. Now, I'm not sure. Was he turned off or on? I'm getting close to the troopers over here in this section. See if he reacts at all. See if, oh, he is not liking this. He is not liking this at all. Look, he just said, get me away from these troopers. Oh, what's happening? No, so you don't want to mess with R2TWoo. I'm gonna go over here, away from everyone, tucked away in the corner. Oh, a helicopter going by. Take him out and, oh, you're reacting a little bit. You like the marketplace, huh? The marketplace over there? Yeah, I'm not gonna spend any more money. I've already spent enough. Oh, what are you doing? Almost got it. Oh, how's it going?
All right, man.
I just bought a droid.
Oh, okay, cool.
My first one. Pretty cool.
Enjoy.
Okay, good to see you. Oh, got the best in control of this thing. There we go. Pretty neat. I now have a fully armed and operational R2TWoo. And putting him back here in the little pouch is easier said than done. Very snug. Hey, are you going down in there? All right, after a few minutes, I finally realized the way it just kind of nestles itself down in the packaging. There's a spot for the legs to go beside. I have opted just to carry him on my back here with the backpack. He's right back there. R2TWoo. Pretty dang good name. Oh, just moved the head. Okay, something just happened over here near these. What just happened? I barely got the camera on record. Now you're getting shy again. Yeah, it seems as if this is a good spot that has a familiar overtone. Oh, what's that? You want to go back over to the Falcon? Yeah, I don't blame you. Okay, I'll take you back over to the Falcon. Be there soon. Yeah, this could be your uncle here. Oh, that could be. Yeah. There you go. See? There's a kinship. Oh, still, you were just nodding your head past. That's gonna do it for today. Finally have a droid. Head on home, droid. Head on home. Head on home, droid. Head on home. Head on home. And he stopped. Oh, there he goes. Come on back, droid. Come on back. Come back to me, droid. How many times have I said droid in this episode? Yeah, come back the other way, droid. Come back this way. There we go. That's going to do it for today. Batu East, Galaxy's Edge. The vlog is... Come on. Here we go. Come on, droid. You got this. R2-TP-Woo. You got this. Oh, you're saying you're doing the vlog? Are you saying it? The vlog is